The first step we have to do is to design a circuit, and after that we will convert it into PCB layout. So let's start. Now, this is the circuit. Let's convert this one into PCB layout. So this is our PCB layout now. So there is a mistake on this one. This is not supposed to be this type of potentiometer, but anyway, uh, it will not be mounted on the PCB because it will be connected to a knob type potentiometer. So let's print our PCB layout and let's do the etching. Okay, now I printed the PCB layout that I make. So I'm going to cut this one, and after that I'm going to transfer the layout into this PCB board. Okay, let's start. So let's make the iron ready. Then what we need to do is to put this PCB layout here. Like this. Now it's ready. Now it is sticking to the PCB, and I feel like the ink from the photo paper has transferred already to the PCB. So I will let this cool down for a while, and after that we will remove this photo paper, and the printed layout on the photo paper should be transferred to the PCB. So now it is transferred now to the PCB. Let's take a better. So now this is it. So as you can see, there is some imperfection in this area, like this. But don't worry about that one, because I will retouch this using the permanent marker to fix this imperfection. Inside this cap is ferric chloride, PCB layout, and we have to wait. Now it's finished. That's it. We will clean this one and we will see. Now clean with acetone. And there is price. Now it's clean. This is the PCB now after I make the hole. I need to go back to the layout that I make, because that is my guide where I'm going to position the electronic components. So this is the board, the motor speed controller that we make. So this is the terminals for AC input, and the motor is connected on this terminal. So as you can see, I did not put the potentiometer on the board. I make it like this. It's because I'm planning to use this for something else, so I need to make it like this so that the potentiometer I can put on other areas where it's easy for me to access. Now we will try this one. Before we will start, two things I want to remind you: that this circuit is very dangerous if not handled correctly. And the second thing is, I recommend you to use the BT139, because actually that is the original Triac for this circuit. But since I don't have that one, I used the TIC 206, which is very sensitive. So we will try and let us see. Now as you can see, the motor is running. I'm going to adjust the speed. See? And decrease. Increase. Decrease. Again, increase the speed. And decrease the speed. I will off. So if you notice, at the startup, the speed of the motor is already fast. It's because the Triac TIC 206 that we use is very sensitive. So that's why I recommend, if you want to make this kind of circuit, it's better that you use the BT139, because actually that is the original recommended Triac for this circuit. So we will try once more. Potentiometer, increase the speed, and decrease the speed. Increase, decrease. Once more, increase, and decrease the speed. If you want to create a board like this, the layout of the PCB is available on the description of this video. So I will post a link so that you can download, and no need for you to make any more a layout. So you can use the layout and transfer this one to the PCB, and you can make this motor speed controller board. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. Thank you.